Meet Maya. She's setting up her school's art fair, counting red and blue paint jars, and her teacher just asked her to write the ratio of red to blue. 3 different ways. 3 ways? Maya stares at her notebook, totally stumped. Sound familiar? Don't worry. By the end of this video, you and Maya are both going to be ratio pros. Let's dive in. So what exactly is a ratio? A ratio is a way to compare two quantities, like how many red jars Maya has compared to blue jars. Maya counts 3 red jars and 5 blue jars. That's a ratio of 3 to 5. Here's something super important. Order matters. The ratio of red to blue is not the same as blue to red. Ratios show up everywhere. Recipes, sports stats, mixing paint. Once you see them, you'll spot ratios all over the place. Here's the big secret Maya needed. Every single ratio can be written 3 different ways. Way number 1, using a colon, like 3:5. Way number 2, as a fraction, with 3 on top and 5 on the bottom. Way number 3, in words, just say 3 to 5. All 3 mean the exact same thing. They're just different outfits for the same ratio. Maya writes all 3 in her notebook, and suddenly her teacher's question doesn't seem so scary anymore. Let's zoom in on each form. In colon form, you write the first quantity, a colon, then the second quantity. Simple. In fraction form, the first quantity goes on top, that's the numerator, and the second goes on the bottom as the denominator. And in word form, you literally just say the first number, the word 2, then the second number. Notice that A to B in words matches A over B as a fraction. The top of the fraction is always what comes first in your ratio. Keep that straight, and you're golden. Now, here's something that trips a lot of people up. The fraction form of a ratio looks just like division, 3/5. But a ratio isn't asking you to divide. It's saying, for every 3 red jars, there are 5 blue jars. 3 for every 5. Maya almost made this mistake. She started dividing on her calculator. But ratios compare quantities side by side. You keep both numbers whole. Think of it like a recipe. 3 cups of flour for every 5 cups of sugar. You wouldn't divide them. You'd keep both amounts. All right, let's help Maya write her first ratio. She has 3 red jars and 5 blue jars. The ratio of red to blue, here we go. Colon form, 3:5. Fraction form, 3/5, with red on top and blue on the bottom. Word form, 3 to 5. And there it is. 3 forms, 1 ratio. Maya smiles and writes all 3 in her notebook. That's it. Every ratio you ever meet can be dressed up these same 3 ways. You've got the first one down. Now Maya spots 8 brushes and 12 canvases on the supply table. Her teacher asks, write the ratio of brushes to canvases 3 ways. Let's do it together. Colon form, 8:12. Fraction form, 8/12. Brushes on top, canvases on the bottom. Word form, 8 to 12. Notice, we always put brushes first because the question said brushes to canvases. That order is everything. Now, could we simplify the fraction 8/12? Yes, both divide by 4, giving us 2/3. But the original ratio 8 to 12 is still perfectly correct. Maya's teacher gives the class a new challenge. At the art fair, there are 24 students and 2 teachers. Write the ratio of students to teachers 3 ways. Colon form, 24:2. Fraction form, 24/2. Students on top, teachers on the bottom. Word form, 24:2. Now here's a fun check. Can we simplify 24/2? Yes. 24 divided by 2 equals 12, so the simplified ratio is 12:1. That means for every 12 students, there is 1 teacher. See how ratios tell a real story about the world around you? Let's try one more. This time from a word problem, just like you'd see on a test. The school soccer team won 7 games and lost 3 games this season. Write the ratio of wins to losses 3 ways. Step 1. Identify the two quantities. Wins equals 7. Losses equals 3. Step 2. Wins go first because the question says wins to losses. Colon form, 7:3. Fraction form, 7/3. Word form, 7:3. Quick check. Does 7/3 simplify? Nope. 7 and 3 share no common factors, so we're done. 3 forms, nailed it. Nailed. Maya made a few of these mistakes early on, and that's totally okay, because now she knows better. Mistake number 1, flipping the order. The ratio of red to blue is 3:5, not 5:3. Those are completely different ratios. Mistake number 2, treating the fraction like a math problem to solve. Don't divide. Keep both numbers. Mistake number 3, forgetting what comes first. Always reread the question. And mistake number 4, simplifying when the problem just wants the original ratio. Read instructions carefully every time. Maya's got her checklist, and so do you. Okay, pause the video and try this one yourself before I show you the answer. A fruit basket has 5 apples and 9 oranges. Write the ratio of apples to oranges 3 ways. Go ahead, I'll wait. Ready? Let's check. Apples go first because the question says apples to oranges. Colon form, 5:9. Fraction form, 5/9. Apples on top. Word form, 5:9. Does 5/9 simplify? 5 and 9 share no common factors, so nope, we're done. How did you do? If you got all 3, give yourself a high five. You're thinking like a math pro. Let's lock in your cheat sheet. Every ratio has 3 forms. Colon form, write first. Colon second. Fraction form, write first over second. Word form, say first to second. All 3 are equal. They mean the same comparison. The golden formula is a colon b equals a over b equals a to b. Screenshot this slide or write it in your notes right now. Seriously, this little formula is your key to acing any ratio question. Maya has it taped to her locker. Maybe you should too. Remember when Maya was staring at her notebook, totally stumped by write a ratio 3 ways? Look at her now. She knocked out every single example like a champ. And so did you. Here's your 3-step victory lap. Number 1, pick your 2 quantities. Number 2, write the first quantity first. Order matters. Number 3, use all 3 forms, colon, fraction, and words. You've learned one of the most powerful tools in 6th grade math. Ratios are everywhere, and now you can write them any way you want. You